Holbein stitch is a variation of running stitch. At a glance it looks like backstitch, but it's a double running stitch which looks the same on both sides of the fabric. The first stage is to work a normal running stitch from left to right, keeping the stitches as even as possible. To create Holbein stitch, you then fill in the gaps with another line of running stitch. You can work back the way from right to left, or start again on the left-hand side. For a more decorative effect, you can alternate the thread colours to create contrast. As you close the gaps, you will create an even line of stitching, which basically looks the same on both sides of the fabric. If you need the design to be reversible, you can secure the threads in a less intrusive way, rather than using a knot like I've done here. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll get back to you. If you'd like to see more stitch tutorials, I have a playlist here. Please give this video a like and subscribe to get notified about my new tutorials and projects. Bye for now.